What's up, Fearless fam? Welcome to Fearless Faith Podcast. Together with me is someone who grew up in the community, a really good friend of mine, and a good friend of my daughter, Natalia Summerlove, Season D. We have here Kuya Jello. How are
Hi guys.
you?
Hi guys.
Ayan.
Uh,
Grabe.
Grabe Ate Car. Thank you for how do you say this? Inviting me here sa interview. Very I've been watching your videos. It's kind of like overwhelming now.
Actually, nagka-clap si Natalia just by hearing us right now and watching us live right now. Talaga, kung narinig niya, Kuya Jello. So, how are you naman?
Right now,
Yeah.
yeah, we had this meeting and it was I can say it's a mixed emotion, a mixed feeling kasi it's kind of overwhelming and yet sobrang breathtaking kasi
Yeah.
sobrang saya.
So for those who don't know, yeah, we just had a planning part 2 and um we had to discuss the things that's hard to discuss,
Yeah,
the issues,
the
but it
topics.
would be also good for the community, right?
Yes.
And how's LU? How's La Union?
Ooh, LU. Of course,
Mm.
LU is LU. Grabe yung
Mm.
mga beach, the vibes, the air,
Yeah.
grabe na ano. It's ano, I wish na yung sa Tambay dyan.
Mhm.
Always, you know,
By the beach,
the
no?
beach, you know. Yeah.
Sunset, sand. And how's your childhood naman, growing up?
Ooh, the childhood. Well, okay, the background on this, nung in CFL, before CFL actually,
Mhm.
I was global as well. Ever since I was born, actually, my parents are so active
Mhm.
in events. And of course, sobrang, ano, Catholic talaga.
Mhm.
Sobrang, ano, close to God.
Mhm. Is it growing up in the community?
Um, of course, I don't understand other people.
Mhm.
The way they say that um how do you be with God? How do you
Mhm.
feel God?
Mhm.
I always feel Him through
Mhm.
my
Mhm.
parents. Oh,
Isa ka rin ba sa mga tumatakbo-takbo like Natalia when your parents are having like prayer meetings? Di ba
yeah,
usually ganon?
yeah.
Tatanda ka sa community.
Actually, so there was actually a funny story about this.
Mhm.
Nung bata ako, we had this event nga in
Mhm.
CFL. Sorry, not CFL. Ayun nga.
CFC pa dati.
CFC, yeah, CFC Global.
And Kids
Tapos,
for Christ, mga ganyan.
my parents are very, syempre busy rin sila. They
Mhm.
speak with a lot of people, active sila.
Mhm.
It's not their fault. Ako, knowing na makulit ako,
Mhm.
nawala daw ako.
Knowing the ADHD
Yeah, I do
and
have my,
hyper.
yeah, I have hyper, just mild autism,
Mhm.
ADHD, yeah, and yun.
Grabe yung pagka-hyper and energy niya.
They thought I was lost. Nawala daw ako. Umiyak na yung parents ko and such. But yeah, they found me. And the funny thing is, yung community is very
Mhm.
close. So, alos mga tito, tita.
Yeah. Kaya very close din siya sa mga titos and titas. Kasi talagang nakita ka nila growing up. No?
Yeah,
Agi pa nga yung name
yeah,
niya
they
before.
yun may ag.
And then nag-rebrand siya to Jello.
Um,
So
I'm
how are you din naman as a son?
as I'm an only child.
Uh-huh.
So, for a son, typical,
Masunurin naman.
yes.
Actually, surprisingly, masunurin din talaga siya and mabait siyang anak. Kasi kung titingnan mo siya, parang, di ba, parang akala mo lakas ng dating. Ito yung mga tipong yung itsura na nambubuli. Pero actually, you surprised me na how you treat your parents and how you respect them.
Really? See, I'm not the greatest son, I guess.
Really?
But like as an only child, they always expect me to be like
Ah,
spoiled.
yeah.
Like I want everything, but no, I never asked for anything
Mhm.
for my
Mhm.
parents. They keep giving me, of course, only child
Mhm.
eh. Pero it has its ups and
Mhm.
downs.
Kamusta naman yung high school life mo? Grade school life, high school life, college life?
I just go.
Ba't
Uh,
napa-Diyos ko ka na lang?
let's just say that it has been harsh for me
Mhm.
because as an only child, it's really hard for me to communicate. Plus with my mild ADHD.
Mhm.
So they think of me as a weirdo.
Yeah.
Sa ano ko, I'm the one being bullied. Okay?
Yun nga eh, doon ka surprise eh. Kasi
Mm.
kung first impression, I mean, di ba?
Oo. Like, I don't know. I would not. I mean, I have every chance I can get to some if I
Mhm.
want to bully anyone, but
But thank you for being open about your ADHD. Ano yung parang ma-advise mo for those who's also going through the same? May tips ka ba dyan
it's
on
I can't say it's a tip,
how to
pero
manage it?
it would really be finding that support group
Mhm.
or support person. Kasi for me, my dad has been the one besides my mom, of course.
Mhm.
My parents has been the number one body of this.
So
Kasi
they're also aware about it. Yung parents mo.
yes,
Are they
it's
also supportive about it? Or sila yung mga tipong parents na, gawa-gawa lang yung ADHD na yun. Nung panahon naman namin, walang ADHD.
no, they really consider that.
Okay. Still
Akala nga nila
supportive.
na meron ng talaga ako.
Mhm.
And but my dad was like, no, no, wala
Oo,
yan.
kailangan mo
Pinursu niya
labanan na,
talaga. Pinursu niya talaga na walang problema. And they treated me as a normal
mm,
person.
yeah.
Hindi nila ako parang, kasi,
It's more on internal battle din
yeah,
minsan eh, no?
yeah.
Kumbaga parang mental health din yan. Kumbaga parang depression, bipolar, basta
Mhm,
may parang disorder din siya eh,
mhm,
I
mhm.
would say.
I can say it's still part of mental health. Right?
Mhm.
Kasi if how they treat you is what you are
Mhm.
talaga.
How's your mental health naman so far?
Um, Siguro what I learned is that my parents are very traditional.
Mhm.
So what they always say is like, it's so unfair naman kasi
Mhm.
in the panahon nila ganito ganyan, yung panahon ganito ganito.
Mhm.
So that was their era and
Yeah.
this is our era, which is very hard kasi you can't compare it them, but they allow it to compare to their era,
Mhm.
which is so unfair.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the first time you attended the basic faith formation? Kamusta yung experience mo with that?
Ah, that was yung first ay ko pa nga
No,
mag-handle. Oh my
Dalam.
God, skida ko no, grabe, sobrang nadugo talaga ako sa Tagalog niya,
Ang
sobrang
lalim.
lalim.
And I remember, we also did karaoke right
Yeah,
after the
after,
BFF
oh my God, we
session.
had the fellowship
As
agad.
in, parang feeling namin close ka na namin agad, even the first time we met you.
Para akong naging part agad. Which
Mhm.
is very good kasi in the CFL talaga, hindi alam mo yung expect mo na, baka ma-isolate ako, baka
Na ma-OP.
ma-alienate. Yes. But no, I felt like I was with you guys for more than a
Oh.
year or so already.
What's your favorite and most memorable CFL experience?
Favorite CFL moment? Siguro, I can say it was with Tara and you.
No.
Kasi, I mean, yung niyo, yung binigay niyo sa akin, like, warmth yung time na yun. It was very different.
Actually, sobrang dependent na ni Talia. Pagka wala siya, is Tito Jello coming? Not sure eh. Aww, ganun lang.
Wasn't sure.
I think they bonded over Roblox or some games.
Yeah,
Eh.
yeah,
Yun ba yun?
Roblox talaga
I
yung,
still remember that time. BFF dinner din nun.
mm-hmm.
In QC. Doon
Yeah,
kayo nag-start maging close.
yeah, super close.
Di ba? You love Tito Jello? Hmm.
Na-miss ko na yun. Huwag ka na umuwi ng Baguio.
Oo. Oo.
Kasama na ako sa Baguio.
Iwan Tito Jello kami daw sa Baguio.
Bigyan mo ako maglinis ng house 24/7.
But baka you'd also like to invite them to come and join us for the 10th anniversary or to join our CFL community.
Yeah, guys, I swear. No pressure, of course. Pero I just want you to know na this is not forced. Like, it will show you guys na this is a calling. God will really give you a sign, and it should be now. Yun lang.
It would be in Quezon City, guys.
Wow. Thank you
Oh.
for promoting, honey. Again, thank you, Kuya Jello, Tito
And it's
Jello.
also for Catholics and
Wow. It's also for Catholics and life.
Yeah.
So again, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Bye.
Bye-bye.